Hey friends, if you love photography and like to sell your photos and videos online, make sure you subscribe, hit the bell icon and turn on all the notifications so that you never miss any video guides from the Teaching Doc channel. And here I come. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. This is Dr. Arindam and you are watching the Teaching Doc. And first I want to thank you all because our channel just reached 14,000 subscribers. Okay, I remember I started from 14. Okay, I remember 14, 140, 1400 and it's 14,000. Okay, thank you for all the love. And recently most of you have complained to me. Many of the subscribers have already unsubscribed my channel because I uploaded 2 gaming videos. Okay, but let me tell you something, the stock photography will continue, but this is about something which I love. So in a while in between I will be continuing to upload 1 or 2 gaming videos, so please forgive me for that. But today is not about my YouTube channel. I'll make a separate subscriber thanks video when I get to 15,000 subscribers, which will be I think next month or when I get. But today's video is about my stock photography earnings of July. Alright, so let me go directly into that. I'll start from low and I'll go to the top one. Please note, I did not have any sale on Font5, I did not have any sale on Alamy, and I did not have any sale on mostphotos.com, and my Adobe stock account is still blocked. Alright, so I have 0 sales on Adobe in the month of July. But so from low to high, let me go. In Pixie, starting from Pixie, I had 2 sales on Pixie in the month of July. You can see 23rd July and 26th July. So if you count the according to Indian money, it's 28 rupee, but if you count the dollar amount, it's roughly quarter of a dollar. Okay, 25 cents around. So yeah, that's it about Pixie. Next I go to canstockphoto.com. In canstockphoto.com I had one sale 25th July and it was for $1, a single extra large subscription for Canstock Photo. So that's it. Next is bigstockphoto.com. In Bigstock Photo I had in the month of from July 1 to August 1, that is the month of July, I had around, okay, here you can see it's 10 images sold. So let me just zoom in. 10 images sold and it's $3.25 US. Okay. Next we go to deposit photos. In deposit photos I already did the math for you. You can see I had from July 1 to July 27, I had most of the sales were $0.3. Okay, 8 sales, I think 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 sales of $0.3 and one big sale, on demand sale of $1.49. So I think I did the math for you. So here it is, 0.3 multiplied by 8 plus 1.4, so 3.89 for deposit photos. For okay, get images is definitely not the 4th one. For Dreams Time, okay, you can see in Dreams Time for the month of July, I will start from below. Okay, 2nd July, and then so $2.2 big sale on just the start of July, and then there was a $1.72 sales, and fine, I had almost 13 to 15 sales in Dreams Time, and I also did the math for you. In Dreams Time I had, these are the values, okay, for the sales, as you can see over here, and it's $7.9 US for Dreams Time. I should have told you 123 RF because Dreams Time is actually my 3rd highest. Okay, 123 RF. Total download from 1st July to 2nd July. Okay, 123. Please don't think I had sales every day. Okay, it's 0000, so no sales. Okay, you can see total number of downloads on 1st July and then on 13th July, like that. So total 123 RF, I had 17 downloads and total amount of sale value is $4.9 US. Okay, then comes Getty Images. In Getty Images, actually I got $93 payout in the month of July. So if I consider that, that's a huge value. Okay, but this is not the earning of just July. It's earning from previous 3 or 4 months, even 5 months. So the exact earning you can see in May 1, it was $85.2 US, and In June it was 93. So 85 to 93, you can count, it's hardly anything, right? So the performance of the month of June, okay, was very bad in case of Getty Images. So 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, only $8. Pathetic. However, as you know, the earning of July will be shown in August. So technically, the Getty Images earning, I will take the earning from previous month. So it is around $8, right? However, the number one, Shutterstock, has been very merciful on me. And in case of Shutterstock, the total earning for the month of past month, that is in the month of July, was $136.98. Okay, I had 109 downloads. You can see the screenshot. I already had one download. This is the 1st August and already $0.1. The new trend has already started from August. I don't know how August will be, but please note that I had one big video sale. So you can see this one, okay, $68.81. It happened in the month of July. So this is total. Now let me add. Okay, I have opened the calculator. Okay, and so please bear with me. So 56 rupee. Okay, I will calculate 56 rupees in INR. 56 INR to USD. $0.75 on Pixie. So I will convert it, the whole thing, into dollar, and then again I will convert it into INR. So 0.75 from Pixie. I'll close, okay, so that it is not confusing. Then $1 from CanStock plus $1 from CanStock plus CanStock closes, big stop 3.25 plus 3.25 plus, okay, I'm boring you with my calculation, I know. Next is deposit photo, 3.89 on deposit photos plus 3.89 plus, so deposit photo, I close the calculator and also the website. Next is 123 RF, 4.9 plus 4.935 plus, so I cross 123 RF. Next is Dreams Time calculator is 7.9, so plus 7.9 plus, so I'll close Dreams Time and I'll close Dreams Time website. Getty Images, as I told you, if you count, if I say my total earning, then I should count $93 because $93 actually got paid to my bank account, okay, but mind it, no, I should not, because the above values are also not getting paid to my bank account, okay. So I'll count 85 minus 93, that is around $8. So $8 from Getty Images, so that you have an idea how much I earn in a month with my portfolio of around 3,000 images across all websites plus 136.98. This is the big one. So around $166 I earned. The majority, 90%, came from Shutterstock. So you know that Shutterstock, in spite of all the boycott and 0.10, it's still the best. So let me convert this amount to rupee, 166.705 USD to INR. So around 12,491 rupee. Okay, so that's it for today's video. The code of the day, if you're watching this video, is July. Okay, so if you're watching this video, please type July in the comment section and I will know you have not skipped this video for a minute and you're watching this video till now. So thanks for watching and I will see you soon with another video. Till then, bye and take care.